Well, Marcus, we're over here at this wonderful Springdale mini loft. What do you think about it?
I'm just enjoying the back patio. We got a nice breeze set out here, nice cover from the sun, a couple of LED lights I can hang out here when it's dark outside. I mean, this is not like any other trailer I've been in. This is like sitting out at a cabin out at a lake.
It is, or the mountains.
Could be, but feel that breeze coming across. It just feels wonderful.
I like it.
You know, and this one is actually pretty spacious. You know, this is a brand new floor plan for us, and I've looked at a couple of other ones that are on the market, and I'm about 18 inches deeper right here than what it is on the other one. So I get so much more room so I can sit up here and relax and have a good time.
Well, the other thing I noticed is these steps.
Solid steps coming up the back.
Fold-up step, not a detachable step like I've seen on Brand X before.
So I don't have to take it off and put it inside. I just fold it up and down just like I do the one side. That's great.
Absolutely.
I mean, I love this. I love the railing that we've got on here so my little kids can't jump through or anything like that. I mean, what a better place to come out and sit and have a nice cup of coffee early in the morning.
Oh, man.
Enjoy the lake or the mountain view.
I'm digging it.
I mean, I cannot wait to kind of walk around.
And this thing weighs 7,000 some odd pounds is all this thing weighs, too.
It's pretty lightweight.
It's got electric stabilizers, electric tongue jack. Everything else I've seen that's a destination type trailer like this is all manual
cranks.
on everything.
Yeah, that's nice to have. So equipped with a great power package. So I've got the power tongue jack. I've got power stabilizers. Like we said before, a lot of these are going to be manual crank jacks on the sides, but I got power on the front. I got power on the back. I've added a great big power awning, and then I've added a side door entrance to this one. You know, a lot of them you can only come through the back, coming through the patio area, but now I've added a side door, added awning on the side, so I've got a little more extra outdoor space instead of just the back deck.
Marcus, come on, let's see what this, wow. This is incredible.
Floor plan.
This is incredible.
I mean, this is nice. I got theater seating, storage and armrests.
In the middle one and on the side?
Yep. I've got all the windows up here. And the great part about these are all power. So on both sides of these, where you've got your windows up so high, I can just run them both up with the touch of a switch.
That's incredible.
You know, and I got to thinking when I walked in, you know, this would be great if I had a place that we could actually sit down and eat or play games or something.
Marcus, grab that table.
Looky there. Sit here and have a meal.
Wait a second here. This is in
It doesn't
5 pieces, but it's solid. It's one. That's incredible.
That's nice. So I can sit here and eat, sit here and play games. You know, but more importantly, I can sit in my recliner and not have to get up. I can just sit here and eat. It's great.
So I have to wait on you. Do I need to go get you another plate?
Yes, please. But when I'm done, literally, I just pick it up. It's kind of spring-loaded.
And this out of the way, so it's not, gives you all the room and floor plan over here. You've got a loft at the very back over here. It has its own air conditioner, which is a dump if you need it. I don't know why a 30-foot trailer would need to have 2 ACs, but it is 50 amp
I can tell you this,
service.
right now it's feeling pretty good in here with both ACs running.
I shut one off just a minute ago.
Also, we're just running the
We're
one
just
right
running
now.
on the main AC, and
That's
it's on the
amazing.
dump too right now. It's not, it's not even going through hardly going through the vents.
This feels great, but I'll tell you, one thing you might also look at is this main loft area.
Queen size bed. Lots of room here.
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
What? TV connections. Storage. I mean, what else could you want in the loft area up there?
Wow, that's deep storage. Man, this is comfy. And the thing about it, most lofts I'm worried, I got room to sit up here without having to crack my skull on something.
Man, if you think you got room up there, you ought to step down here in the kitchen area. I mean, I got nothing but room down in here. I'm not cramped in any way, shape, or form. Look at all this space over here for, I'm preparing meals, place for a coffee bar. Again, with the solid wood construction on the cabinets that are glued and screwed. Microwave, vent-a-hood, light, 3-burner cooktop, an oven. But on the other side, hiding under here is either storage or a hookup for an all-in-one washer and dryer. Put a combo in unit in there, I mean, you could stay on the road forever.
And it's even
again,
marked, you can have a vented one. It's got the little cutout where you put the...
and again with the magnetic door latches, so they're not going to open going down. 12-volt direct current, the latest thing in technology for RVs. I mean, look at that.
A lot of room.
And then make your way...
I know you like to put your Bluebell ice cream in there. It'll stay cold in here.
It will. Make your way back into a nice 3-piece bathroom. Now, some people might say there's no place for a vent, but that's not true. I've got a max air vent on the side right here where I can open up and vent out the bathroom.
Isn't that special?
It's really special. Spend a weekend out here, why not have fun?
This blows my mind. I need to tell my son about this.
And it's in a 30-foot trailer.
30-foot trailer that weighs under 8,000 pounds.
Man, that is amazing. How do they do that kind of stuff?
This is a great Springdale. We're over here. I'm Steve.
I'm Marcus.
We're here at Bailey Toliver RV in Brownfield, Texas.
And hey, I know Memorial Day was yesterday,
But
we're still running a sale through the end of the month. Come out and take advantage of it. I promise you, it's worth a short drive to come out and save some money. Again, I'm Marcus.
I'm Steve.
And together we are
the RV Ninjas.